Today's question: what is compost and what is it used for? Composting is a controlled process by which organic material is broken down and the remaining nutrients are used as an amendment into the soil, providing healthy benefits for plants. Now, some of the benefits of compost: it improves plant growth and health, provides the plant with nutrients in a stable organic form. It increases plant rooting depth. It improves the physical, biological, and chemical makeup of the soil, and it helps to reduce erosion. So here in my container alley, my 6 plants I planted about 2 weeks ago, I'm going to go ahead and feed them or add some slow release organic fertilizer to them. In this case, it's going to be the Nature Safe 855. And then after I add the fertilizer, I'm going to add some compost. And this is the compost here. Don't know if you can see it, but in the form of processed horse manure. So I'm going to scratch up the soil around this pepper plant here. Then I'm going to take my cup of Nature Safe 855, sprinkle some around where I just scratched. And then we're going to take the compost and sprinkle it on top of the fertilizer. I want to get an inch, maybe inch and a half to 2 inches of the compost in the container. Okay, we're going to go and do the eggplant next. Same process. Scratch up the dirt a little bit or soil. Sprinkle in the fertilizer. And cover it up with the compost. And on to the next one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that for the other three and come right back. So as you can see, all the compost and fertilizer have been applied to these 6 pots. And I'm going to turn the drip system on, but I'm not going to let it run too long. We had a very heavy downpour on Saturday, so I'm just going to turn it on long enough to make sure that everything gets a nice watering, but nothing too serious or crazy. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while I showed you how I use compost to grow healthy and strong plants. If you got anything out of it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food for myself and my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Let's try and get this video up to 100 likes. And the more likes, the more it gets played, and hopefully the more subscribers that I get. Lastly, and most importantly, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.